This is comparing the Air Hogs Axis 300, I guess it's called, versus the Walmart Black OPS Black Hawk helicopter. Both of these are gyro. In other words, they're stable, very stable, and they both have these props on the back, so that way I could go forward or backwards with it. So comparing them, so what do I think of them? Well, I mean, both of these fly really nice, but somehow I feel like the way I like how this one flies better, because it's more it's just better, I would say. But for this one, I mean, the controls feel better on this one than it does of this one here, because this one is like it's more looser, I could say, or it's more like more responsive. I think that the controls, I like the controls on this one better because it's more responsive. But this one is like it flies a little better, like more still, I think. Let's see, let's find out. I'm gonna fly it. You know, I like the way it looks better, I guess. But I mean, it feels like this is a little more durable. It just feels that way to me, anyway. And then what's better about this one, or what I like about this one, is that it only takes 4 batteries to run this. It only takes 4 batteries. Versus this one, it takes 6. And that's what's to like about this one here. And then, you know, and then the controller is smaller. And it just feels like it's built a little bit better. That's just me, anyway. And then this one here, I mean, it's like this one is like, I like the way the controls feel better. It's like it feels more responsive. I think it's more responsive, I could tell you that much. And it's a little faster too, I would say. It's more responsive, you know, like the controls. It feels better. And then, but the thing I just don't like about this is that it takes too many batteries. It takes 6. And that one takes only 4. And not only that, with this one, you know, I don't want to accidentally leave it on overnight, or else it'll drain the battery. Because with the other one, if I accidentally leave it on, it'll turn off by itself. But this one will not do that, and it'll drain the battery. But both of these, you know, they fly really nice, you know. I could control it easy. I mean, I can get it to fly over there. With both, I could fly it over there and bring it back over here without any trouble. And then I'll bring it back. This is a $25 Walmart helicopter. And this is nice. I like the way it looks and everything. And then this one, yeah, I feel like the controls is more responsive on that one, but this one looks more sleek, I would say. Yeah, that one's more responsive. The black OPS one is more responsive, and the helicopter is faster too. But this one is more like smoother, I would say. And this one looks more sleek. And this takes only 4 batteries. It doesn't take 6 like that one does. and this one will actually turn off on its own if I accidentally leave it on. And then this one has a little feature where it's for beginners. I don't know if this one has that or not. It probably does. I don't know. Yeah. So if I was gonna say which one I like better, I was gonna say. I mean, I think I have to say. I mean, it would almost be a tie. But what would win all the points? What would win more points is this one because it takes less batteries to run, and the controller looks more sleek. It's smaller and it's more sleek. And then this one is just on the bulky side, and it takes 6 batteries, which I don't like. But all in all, I think it's a tie, in my opinion. But yeah, I think it's a tie overall. But if I was gonna pick out which one, if I had to pick one, which one would I take? I'd probably take this one right here. Because I think it's just simply because I like the way the controls. I like how the controls feel on this. So, well, this one was $25, and this one was 30. At this was 30 at Target and 25 at Walmart. So overall, I think I like them both about the same, I would say. But I mean, this one gains points because of the fewer batteries that I need to use, and then the controller is more sleeker. That's all.